Hello and welcome to SDSC Specialist Cars. This is our video review of our 51 registered Mercedes SLK 230 compressor, 2001. This is quite possibly the best SLK in the country. I'm not exaggerating, I've never seen one as good as this. This is spectacular. It really does look like it's just come out of the showroom. The interior still has the matte sheen on the leather, looks like it's never been sat in. The whole car is absolutely perfect, and I paid an absolute fortune for it, but I think it wants tucking away in somebody's garage as a collector piece, because one day this car will be worth money. Anyway, I'll show you around the car, but just believe me, it's unbelievable. It's so unbelievably stunning. Front wing here, factory fresh. Front wheel, factory fresh. Along the side of the car, and the rear wheel there, again, like as if it just came out of the factory. Yeah, forget rust on the arches. There's no rust on this whatsoever. I mean, the paintwork is as if it's just come from the factory. I've never seen anything like it. Exhaust absolutely as it was when it left the factory. Boot lid there. Rear wheel. Correct tyres on the car as well. Look at the shine on the bonnet, look. And the front wheel here. Again, spotless. Coming around the front of the car, yeah, no stone chips or anything on here. Absolutely perfect. Lovely bonnet, look at that, fantastic. And now inside we've got the black and red leather interior, and again, it just looks like it's come out of the factory. It's just got that matte sheen to the leather. The red dashboard looks fantastic as well. The steering wheel looks like it's never been touched. Somebody's driven it with gloves on, I'm sure. Cruise control up there. The centre console, normally scratched to pieces, nothing. The original cassette player in there as well. What's a cassette? Let's just turn the ignition on. You can see there she's done 42,710 miles. She's only 2 owners from new, last owner since 2007. So they've had the car for 11 years, or nearly 12 years. Driver's door card, absolutely spot on. And look at the carpets, look. Got the wind deflector here as well. Let's open the bonnet while we're here. And we'll come round, have a look in the passenger side. You just can't believe how good this car is. I watched one with 6,000 miles sell for 18,000 at auction a few years ago. Obviously this has done 40, so it's not worth 18,000. Look at the door card, it's just incredible. The original book pack and everything there. Now for this horrible, rusty, messy engine bay covered in oil. It's like it's a brand new car, look. Look at it. How spectacular is that? Try finding another one of these like this. Look at it. Every little nut and bolt, look. That bolt there is normally rusted to pieces. Unbelievable, what a car. Yeah, I'm glad I paid the money for that, because that is spectacular, it really is. And there you have it. That's our video review of our 51 registered Mercedes SLK 230 compressor. Should you have any more questions, please give me a call. My name is Stuart and our website is www.sdsc.co.uk. Many thanks for watching.